This video will show you how to use the easil website. This is the home page. You are going to select sign up for free, enter your email, password, and sign up. I'm going to log in. Once you have logged in, you can choose from any of these templates down here. So if I wanted to choose this template, even if the content is not what I'm looking for, I can select it and then change it for what I need it to be. I can also go back to the home and just start from a blank template. So if you decide to start from a blank, you are basically dragging and dropping. So I can get all the templates up here. I can start with a background. So let's say I start with this and I just drag and drop. And let's say I don't want this here. So I just select it and press delete. I can slide this up. I can select it. I can change the font. I can change the size. I can change the color. And then I can reposition it. And then I can add other text, so you can decide what type of text you need. And then again, double click to change it. Let's say I don't want it anymore. I just press delete. I can upload YouTube files, photos. What's nice about that is if you want to take a screenshot of Desmos and then upload the photo. I can insert any sort of lines or arrows, so that might draw emphasis. Again, I can upload different photos. Objects are nice. They add a good touch to what you are trying to convey. So let's say I want to add outdoor, and maybe my word problem has to deal with being outdoors. So I can add different pictures. I can change the size of them just like that. I can rotate them. I can change the position of items. And then if I'm ready to save it, you can go up here and rename it. I would press save in the right corner, and I have been able to edit this. Now, one of the most important pieces that you need to do is make sure that you can both, you and your partner, edit this. So up at the top where it says share, you're going to invite a friend to edit. You will type in their email and press send. You can also share it by email just like that. You can get a shareable link. When you are ready and set to finish your product, you can do two things. You can take a screenshot of this and then crop it down. You can also download it, export your work. You can just always make sure that you are saving it. So this is a great tool to use to create very interactive and fun displays of your knowledge.